Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time and date on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. To wake up the screen, simply press any of the buttons or tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press the Chrome button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the system option and select it, and here find the option called the date and time, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. And now if you want to change the date and time manually, you will need to turn off the automatic date and time. Then you can scroll down, and here we can tap on set date or set time. First let's tap on set date, and now we can change the date. To do it, swipe up and down to change the month, then the day, and then you can tap on the arrow to continue, and you can change the year, and then tap on the check mark to set the date, as you can see. Now we can tap on set time, change the time by swiping up and down on the hours and minutes, tap on the arrow to continue. You can also change the time zone. To do that, you need to disable the automatic time zone. Scroll down, tap on set time zone, and select the one from the list, for example, Phoenix. Okay. And once you're done changing your settings, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.